Techniques of work study. So, two methods. One is the method study and another is the work measurement. Method study is the systematic recording and the critical examination of the ways of doing things in order to make the improvements. Thus, it is simplifies the job and develops more economical methods of doing. And another one is the work measurement. It is the application of techniques designed to establish the time for a qualified workers to carry out a task at a defined rate of working. So when a qualified worker is being working with a predefined rate of motions, and when he completes the task with appropriate quality required on it, and then we can say that yes, it is the work measurement which is being performed in a proper way. The basic procedure of the method study actually almost 8 key elements are there, 8 steps are there, we can say, in the procedure of the method study. One is select, another is the record, third thing is the examine, fourth one is the develop, fifth one is the evaluate, sixth one is the define, seventh one is the install, and eighth one is the maintain. So select what? Select the job, task, process to be studied. Record what? All the relevant data and facts about the job which we have selected earlier in the select step. Examine. What to examine? The recorded facts that we have recorded in the second step, critically by challenging its purpose, place, sequence, persons, and methods. Fourth one is the develop. So after selecting a job, recording the facts, and the examining what are the facts recorded, finally then we have to develop a new method as an alternative method of doing the selected job. Next step is the evaluate. What to evaluate? Results of different alternative solutions. So while developing a method, we will find out so many different ways of doing work that alternates, all that options are to be checked, and then finally we have to come to the solutions. Next step is the define. What to define? The new method and present it to the concerned people. Next one is the install the new method and provide training to the concerned staff. So we have to uh, define the after evaluating the results and coming to the conclusion, then finally we have to install the new methods, and the last step is the maintain. Okay, so we have to maintain the new standard practice and the establishing control procedures. So these are the 8 steps of doing the work study techniques or implementing the work study techniques in a industry. Since method engineering is a form of creative problem solving, the general problem solving processes can be employed in a work study also. According to these, the 5 steps normally which are used. First one is the problem definition. So we have to define the problem, or we have to find out the objectives, okay, of a task or project or whatever. And next step is the analysis of the problem. So we have to carry out the analysis of the problem which we have selected. Facts are recorded and then evaluated. Third one is the search for possible solutions. We have to find out the several alternatives or several options which are being available, and then we have to uh, select the best out of all that alternatives after evaluations. Evaluations of alternatives. So evaluations are carried out examining which alternatives means the goals or criteria or the objectives in order to evaluate the proposed solutions, and then finally recommendation for the actions. So evaluating each and every idea, and then finally we have to reach to the solutions that this one is the best alternate for doing the job or doing the task. So job selection, that is the very first procedural steps. It involves the following consideration: economic consideration, technical considerations, and human considerations. So these 3 considerations are being there. First one is the economic considerations, which is basically cost effectiveness. We have to check out whether there is an amount is being involved in that selected project or not. If it is because ultimately work study technique is a cost effective techniques. Here the cost is being there for any thing new or for any improved things that we normally carry out. So we have to see that things. So this is economic considerations that is to be carried out. Then technical considerations, the analysis involves application of the work study for the selection of the operation process where new technology or automations is to be implemented. Third one is the human considerations. Analysis involves location of those operations which presents the source of dissatisfactions and are annoyance to the workers due to the fatigue or monotony or unsafe environment or work which is plasma in nature. So normally, whenever I take this, I will conduct these lectures. I will show you the various videos which are related with this, various PPTs which are related with this, with various this, PDF which are related with this. So that way, normally we will complete this syllabus of these things. Another second step is the recording. So recording the facts related to the existing processes. All facts are to be accurately recorded. Tools of facts recordings are normally how we can record do this. How we can carry out this recordings. That is along with the charts, which may be of two types: basic or sequence. Based on sequence, outline process chart, flow process chart, 200 process chart. Based on time scale, multiple activity chart and SIMO chart. It is also known as simultaneous motion chart. Certain diagrams are also there, which may be of the following types: flow diagram, string diagram, trial chart, cyclograph and chronocyclograph. Process chart. Normally the SME has recommended 5 standard symbols to be used for the process chart, which are given below. So these 5 symbols that normally we have used. These 5 symbols are basically operation, okay, uh, inspection, transportation, delay and the storage. Operation main steps of the task job involved in the modification, change, inspection, basically checking the quality and quantity. Transportation for movement of the persons or material from one place to another place. Delay, that is normally temporary for waiting time of the operators of the material or the machines. And storage, that is the permanent delay, that is for controlled storage involved authorized issue receipt of material, etc. So normally these are being the symbols which normally we have to use. The outline process chart normally involves only 2 symbols: operation and inspections. So it provides only overall picture of the process or job or task. Primarily it is being used to solve the sequence of the operations and inspections for manufacturing of an assembly kind of the job. Flow process chart. It involves almost all 5 types of the symbols that we have just seen. It uses all the 5 types of the symbols. A flow process chart may be normally of the following types. It may be either main type, in which every symbol is being related to his or her activity only, and secondly is the material type, in which normally every symbol is related to the material of the job or document in office or in machine equipment. Data information in a flow process charts are recorded in specifically designed form as given in the textbook classroom. The third step is the critical examinations, is the facts which are recorded in the various charts, diagrams, etc., various graphs are being now examined critically by applying the questioning techniques. Here the sequence are purpose, place, sequence, person,